Watch your
Our
step,
boat
please.
is nice to be in. We don't turn. We're driving straight across.
Mind your step. Please use the handrails.
Y entonces de maneras que hay cuánto ahora ahí con más de $100 de oro.
Mira qué bonita la distancia.
Mira lo que hay allá, muchas monedas.
Mira.
Según Alejandro, miren, está oxidado algunas cosas, está ya roasting. Y pueden ver que hay muchas monedas allí, han arrojado monedas, manillas, botones de primera visita, una cosa llama Carmex para los labios, diferentes tapas, monedas de otros países, toda clase de cosas específicas e importantes. Mi hermano dice que eso está muy, digamos, deteriorado y que deben cambiarlo porque va a mala impresión. Mala impresión. Por ahí hay unos cocodrilos, ¿cierto?
No veo. Mira para allá.
Because this is a free prototype, you do have a chance to bounce around a bit during the process. If you are standing or sitting on the stairs, we ask that you please clear the stairway. Everyone else, please remain where you are until we've completed our job here. Once again, please clear the stairway. You will be given an all clear to travel the stairs and go ashore. Por favor, manténganse alejados de las escaleras.
Las escaleras.
But it's a wet, huh?
gather on the surface along the street. Take small children by the hand and watch your step. This is on the upper deck. Please use the handrails when descending to the lower deck. On behalf of the crew, thank you for sailing with us.
Please step carefully and be sure to use the hand.
All right, welcome ashore, everybody. Watch your step, please.
Hey guys, watch your step. This is your fastest exit off this upper corner.
All right, watch your step right here, and they'll step
Please
up.
step
Welcome ashore.
carefully.
Appreciate it. Yep.
Mind your step. Please use the hand.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Una niña o qué? ¿Quién gritó así? ¿Una niña?
Sí, o una gaviota. Una pequeña gaviota. Está ruda. Esta señora estaba ruda.
I don't know. No, maybe. I like his color. I think I know.
Me cerró.
Yeah, you kind of play across the fire.
Hawaiian traffic. ¿Sí?
Y la pequeña Martina,
La pequeña Cholodil. Allí, acá, arriba. ¿Acá?
acá
al RailRoad.
Sí, al RailRoad.
Le cambiaron otra vez la cubierta. Ahora es con la princesa de la rana.
¿Cómo empezó a bailar?
Empezó a bailar. Qué bonito. Nuevamente. Magic Kingdom. Nuestro proyecto es venir con los bebés.
O explora. Ouch.
Se fueron por un minuto.
Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently on Main Street Station.
Whistle, and we go to
El Alejos. El Alejos.
Y el Alejo, así iría más algo, y el Alejo.
Sí, entonces ese sitio que vimos en esta fiesta llamaba Andretti. Pero ese es de Michael Andretti.
No sé, pero es
De coches, de Fórmula.
no, es como de kart, como de kart, un gran kart.
Ay, señora, ¿usted por qué se encartó con ese niño hoy? ¿Para qué lo trajo? Hubiera traído más bien al mayorcito. Me hubiera dejado con la tía. Ay, pero es que yo no quería, yo quería traer a todos los bebés, pero es que ese no aprovecho el viaje, señora. Yo soy la niña aquí, ¿para qué trajo el bebé pequeño? ¿No? Ay, tomé una foto, ay, mire, tomé esa foto. Ay, mija, usted sí que últimamente se está poniendo esas camisas muy sugestivas, señora. ¿Por qué se hace eso? Esas dos son mexicanas. Y esa ya está haciendo un blog, un fotoblog. Ese, ay, yo me voy a pintar el pelo para estrenarlo en el parque. Y se lo pinto de morado. Esta niña dice, ay, yo me voy en pijama al parque. Las niñas de allá son filipinas o mexicanas.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the
Está en
train.
Magic Kingdom.
We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Y cuida los squinkles.
Friends, I'm so delighted you've joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time, not so long ago, that I was just a young fella on Main Street, with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart, that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible. See what I mean? Hope you packed a compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland. Home to cowpokes, campfires, and country bears, this outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mountain. We call it Big Thunder. Catch a ride on its runaway trains and you'll see why. On a more peaceful night, just ahead I heard some new critters are moving in and looking to make a splash. Take a listen. We're almost there. We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight. Hold those horses until we come to a complete stop. If you're disembarking, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before unfolding them. That'll help make room for any new buckaroos. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
As we roll into the station, everybody say yeehaw! I will say all clear when it is safe to exit the train. Until you hear those words, please remain fully seated and aboard the train while we come to a full and complete stop. Thank you. Please wait. Stay seated. You're all clear. Please watch your head step. Welcome to Frontierland. For those of you who exit, please head towards the front of the platform. Our one and only exit is next to the fire marshal barrel.
All the loop, all the way around. Pobrecitos de niños. My little chandelier. Some chandeliers.
I think the people are already in the area.
Coatings and waterproofing. TCW, single fiber.
Hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love minding this railroad. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own. The change in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic... Listen. Hear that?
There it is! On that big metal snake. Peter, that's not a snake. It's a train.
Train, huh? Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put. Hey! Get back here, Shadow! Shadow!
Oh, Tinkerbell, we really must find some stronger thread.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. Friends, children, we're coming down the tracking the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacularific Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is the place to soar with Dumbo, or join Goofy in his stunt plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding them. That way we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
As we roll into the station, please listen for the words "all clear." That's your signal that it is safe to exit this train. Until you hear those words, please remain fully seated and aboard the train while we come to a full and complete stop. Thank you. You are all clear. Please watch your head and step. Welcome to Fantasyland, also your gateway to Tomorrowland.
¿Necesitas algo? No. Se me quedó fue la medicina de la espalda. No sé dónde la puse. ¿Yo la guardé? ¿La guardaste? No.
What's the weight on Space Mountain?
We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve. And not just because we're on a straightaway. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland. As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the moon. And I'm still awed by the rockets and power.
Unidentified users
detected in public conduit area. Scanning. Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required. Users, please proceed to try light cycle 1 for upload. Once digitized, you may board your light cycle and join the games. Fair warning, users. Competition is fierce and fast. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory.
And that's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland. Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
As we roll into the station, please listen for the words "all clear." That's your signal that it is safe to exit this train. Until you hear those words, please remain seated while the train comes to a full and complete stop. Thank you. Please wait. Stay seated, everybody. Got a couple more feet to go. You're all clear. Please watch your head and step. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
Ah, de Bogotá, muy bien. Bogotá, Colombia. Digo, Melo. Ahora toca esperar la pared. ¿Desde qué punto? ¿Nos toca ir bien al fondo a verlo o qué? ¿Ah? Vamos a Run Spot. ¿Es muy lejos? Sí, a Run Spot nos va a tocar por acá. Ah, sí, tenemos que ir hasta arriba. Hey, bro, look.